I enjoy playing golf with my dad, and got a London Golf Society. We go most weekends playing golf. But in lockdown we bought a caravan, because obviously going abroad, we just thought we wouldn't be going abroad. So we bought the caravan, and we try and go away most weekends if we can in that. Me, Linz, the dogs, my daughter and Jasper, really enjoy going away and exploring different places. It's really good. We've been asked to make a few obelisks, so plants could grow up them. What else have we made? Plant trellises. We did a limited edition daffodil for Marie Curie, so we made a daffodil out of copper pipe. Those are the only things obscure things that we've made, really. Well, I've worked in some nice places and met some really interesting people, but most recently we worked at a job in the Cotswolds, and they were housing life-size elephants. Yeah, that was a really interesting place. Because we were driving to the job, and I literally looked over to my left, and I was like, "There's some elephants in that barn." And I was like, and my friend, he was like, "Nah." And we pulled up onto the job, and lo and behold, there was these massive elephants in this barn, and we found out they're actually for the Elephant Sanctuary, I think. They're like on a global tour around the world to raise money for elephants in India, and that's probably the most interesting place I've worked. They weren't real elephants. No, they were made. I think they were made out of bamboos. They're made in India and then shipped over to here, and then they get sold here for charity. They're at Sudeley Castle at the minute. So yeah, there's about 100 of them in total.